In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set manual payment methods on Shopify if you want to accept payments outside of credit cards or online gateways like bank deposits, money orders, or cash on delivery. Shopify makes it simple to add those options to your checkout. These are great for businesses that serve local customers, operate in regions with limited online payment access, or just prefer more traditional payment methods. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com, then click on Login. Once you're in your Shopify Admin, look to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From there, select Payments. This is where you manage everything related to how customers pay you. Now scroll down until you find the Manual Payment Method section. Click on Manual Payment Method to start setting one up. You'll see a few choices: Create Custom Payment Method, Bank Deposit, Money Order, or Cash on Delivery. Choose the option that matches how you want customers to pay. As soon as you choose, a pop-up will open where you can add the details and instructions customers will see at checkout. Be clear and specific here so there's no confusion later. For bank deposits, include what customers need to complete the transfer, such as your bank name and account identifier, and tell them what to reference on the transfer, like their order number. You can also note how long they have to complete the payment before the order is cancelled. If you choose money order, provide the exact mailing address and any important notes like processing times once you receive it. For cash on delivery, state where this is available, any delivery fees, and how the payment is collected at the door. And if you select Create Custom Payment Method, use it for any offline method that doesn't fit the preset options. Just write clear instructions so customers know exactly what to do. Once your instructions look good, finish by clicking Activate Bank Deposit if you selected Bank Deposit. After activation, the method will appear as a choice during checkout and customers will see the instructions you wrote. You can always come back to this same payments page to edit or turn off a manual method later if your policies change. That's it. Your manual payment method is now set up and ready for customers who prefer paying offline. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.